Hello everybody, I'm going to test this board once again. The customer complained that it's actually a return call. I'm going to see what's wrong with that. Let me just open this guy up. He said that it's not tripping the breaker anymore, but still not working properly, so I'm not sure exactly what's the issue here. I tested all the components and they seem to be okay. So let's see what I can do here. I'll test the components once again, but I remember that everything tested good except if there was an obvious problem with this one sec. With this rectifier, I remember it was burned out completely, so I did replace it, and I believe the customer replaced this capacitor. Let's test it once again and see what can be done here. Those three, they look like a diodes, but they have like it's a diode, looks like diode, but it actually gives me a continuity test, like a fuse. See, this is a good diode. Good diode. Good. Good. See this triac here. It's good too. Let's test this capacitor once again. Yeah, this capacitor is good. Yeah, those relays are good too. I can see some pod maybe came off loose. I'm not sure who replaced this part right here. Looks like a rectifier too. But you see, it looks like it's been worked on. Um, just trying to see if I can see anything. Yeah, the heat was right here in this area, so it's gotta be these guys that I replaced, but it should be good now. I found the problem. It looks like this MOSFET. This is the same MOSFET, you see? It's working good here. And here it's open. So this guy burned out again. Okay, I will replace this guy. Yeah. I mean, I'll see what I can do, but I'm not sure why this keeps burning. Yeah, so I have to replace this guy once again, and hopefully it will solve the problem. We'll have to send it off to the customer once again, but other than that, everything seems to be okay. I mean, I don't see any damage. I don't see any... How about this rectifier? Is it good or not? Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Okay, I'll try to replace this once again and see if it's gonna work for the customers. Yeah, this board is obsolete. You can't get it anywhere, and I tried to look for the board maybe online to find an alternative solution, but yeah. Okay, I'll replace this one once again, and we'll send it off to the customer and see what he says. At that point, I don't see any issues here, and that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you for watching, and take care.